Dear ITI members, I will introduce to you activity of Slovak Centre of ITI and Theatre Institute in Bratislava itself. Many of you already know our institution thanks to our new drama festival or thanks to many international projects we are involved in. The Theatre Institute in Bratislava, founded in 1961, is a national-wide institution directly administered by the Ministry of Culture of the Slovak Republic, concerned with complex research, documenting and providing information related to theatre culture in Slovakia, since the first professional scene was originated in 1920. It's precisely the year 1920 that is very important to us. In 2020, we celebrate the 100th anniversary of professional Slovak theatre. It is a year-round event under the auspice of the government of Slovak Republic and called the Year of the Slovak Theatre. The Theatre Institute is the initiator of the whole project. The event is being also supported by the Ministry of Culture of the Slovak Republic, and it's considering to be a very important event also in a wider cultural context. Of course, the corona pandemic changed everything. Many of our activities have moved into the virtual world, and many will take place in 2021. It is an exhibition of theatre century, tracings and stances. It's a big celebration of Slovak theatre and theatre makers. But also the online festival New Drama, or online national-wide event Theatre Night. During the year, we also prepared many online platforms in English. 10 choreographers of Slovak contemporary dance or contemporary Slovak directors. This is a very interesting platform where you will find information and the most interesting Slovak productions. I believe we will see each other very soon. Until then, I send you greetings from Bratislava.